Hey guys, so this is my unboxing of the Icon half-inch dry flex head ratchet, 1092 ratchet. I just picked this up yesterday when I went to my local Harbor Freight store, and I thought I'll do a little unboxing for you guys. I mean, it comes in a quality. I mean, I just messed up that up, but it comes in a quality package. You can see Icon, 1.5 inch length, and it's 12-inch long ratchet. It also comes with a little cleaning cloth, Icon cleaning cloth to keep your ratchet clean. And here's the ratchet itself. I got the soft grip handle because I thought it would give me more grip when tightening and loosening bolts. And see if I can get it to focus here. There you go, Icon. You can see a little branding on the top as well as your forward and reverse. It's a flex head, so I mean everything. It's a quality ratchet. You can feel the quality in your hands. I mean, it's a heavy and sturdy ratchet, so it sounds smooth as well. So